Ready to customize Safari? Follow along to change the toolbar design in iOS 26. Open Safari and tap the address bar to reveal hidden toolbar options quickly. Tap the small AA icon on the left of the address field to open controls. Choose toolbar settings from the menu to access layout and appearance choices. You'll see presets: compact, spacious, and centered. Each alters icon placement. We'll preview each preset with animated close-ups and clear before and afters. Select compact to compress spacing and move controls toward the screen edges. Tap apply to instantly update the toolbar and observe the subtle animation. Switch to spacious to expand spacing for a cleaner, airy interface experience. Try center to reposition the toolbar in the middle for balanced reachability. Use side-by-side split view to compare before and after toolbar designs easily. Tap done to save settings. Enjoy your personalized Safari toolbar in iOS 26.